Oh, I got that on camera. He's getting scared. Where's the most activity? Are you seeing it from your side?
Yeah.
Do you see the
A ver
lightning
dónde
strikes?
está el gordo. Sí, mirando. De aquí. De aquí, lo de aquí.
Oh, like where I am?
De aquí hacia arriba. Aquí donde estoy. Ahí, así.
Oh. Damn. Damn. Luis is gonna be like. Dude, I'm gonna show this to Luis.
Necesito salvar mi carro. A ver.
But mom, why didn't you do it when it stopped raining?
Sé que me voy a llover.
Oh, I got another one. Don't wear anything metal.
I know.
I said, what the hell's that? Dude, I heard like a huge wind blowing, like a. My cat is watching lightning strikes for like the second time in his entire life. She's freaking scared. Whale. That's gonna be a loud boom. This looks like it's like a little bit farther than downtown. Like 15 miles. Something, I don't know. But over there, if I was closer to that, god damn, that sound like literal, like freaking, I probably sound like literal 9/11. It's also warm outside for some reason. It's barely cold, it's just warm. It's probably gonna be a hurricane. It stopped. Probably. No, it didn't stop. Oh, crap. And now the rain's gonna start again. Open this. Oh, that was like a tornado. Wow, that was a pretty big boom boom. Was it warm outside?
Yeah.
It was? It's
Yeah,
warm.
está rico.
It's warm outside?
¿Eh?
It's warm outside? That means it could be a hurricane.
A ver, déjame dormir con la chiquilla. I need to sleep. Ya no me pocho ni nada. Era Gat que te está diciendo ya, pórtese bien.
Bruh.
Vete, chiqui.
Oh, damn.
I know. El gordo también, thank you, mamá. El gordo también está like, what is going on? Este bebé.
Is that an airplane?
Mm-mm.
What's that noise? A siren?
It's rumbling.
Huh?
It's rumbling.
No, that.
I don't know.
Bruh. That someone literally has a helicopter.
Okay, Timita. Let's sleep. Ya me duele la cabeza en el gato.
For real? Just for this much stress? I get more headaches than you. I don't even get headaches from this. Were the ones in Texas stronger than this one?
Mm-hmm.
By like how much?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Nope. That was the most one I've seen.
Lárgate con tus pedos por ahí.
I did it over there.
Lárgate. En Dunay, déjalo mis teléfonos aquí, por favor. Bye.
Okay.
Traigo un dolor de cabeza con tus pedos y la lluvia allá afuera, así que bye.
But dude, all the way over there in the brush. I mean, in the
No,
kitchen.
I say bye.